Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited in today's video because I am sharing with you guys the Benefit Cosmetics Wonderful World Powder Blushes, 10 new shades they just came out with, and I get to try it out for you guys, including the Multitasking Cheek Brush. And I'm also going to be using this cheek brush in today's video. So let's go ahead and talk about it. It retails for $32. It has a tapered dome-shaped brush which blends powder seamlessly. It is soft and fluffy bristles create an airbrushed effect, and it pairs perfectly with blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. This multitasking cheek brush from Benefit is retractable and travel-friendly as well. But let's get into these wonderful blushes, starting off with CRYSTAH. As you can see on the top, there's some crystals, and it's described as a strawberry pink blush with a soft shimmer finish. Next, we have PEACHIN, which has a peach air balloon on the cover, and it is described as a golden peach blush with a soft shimmer finish as well. Next, Java has a leopard, a canyon, a waterfall on the cover, which is interesting, but it's described as a rosy mocha blush with a natural matte finish. Next, we have TERRA, which looks like it has mountains and the desert, which match the color, but it is described as a golden brick red blush with a soft shimmer finish. Shellie's up next, and it has a shell with a pearl in it, and it is described as a warm seashell pink blush with a soft shimmer finish. Willa has a Japanese cherry blossom tree, a lake, a boat, and it is described as a soft neutral rose blush with a satin finish. Sunny has a grapefruit and a beach on the cover, and it is described as a warm coral blush with a natural matte finish. Moon has an actual moon and clouds on it, and it is described as a rich berry blush with a satin finish. POMPOM has some pomegranates on its cover, and it is described as a pomegranate rose blush with a natural matte finish. Definitely a beautiful shade. Butterfly has butterfly on it, and it's a golden orange blush with a soft shimmer finish. Now, after seeing all of these blushes in person, I did want to section them off. In my opinion, I feel like Sunny and PEACHIN are perfect shades for lighter skin tones. Not my skin tone in particular, but lighter skin tones. And then we have Java and Moon, I believe. And these are the darker skin tone friendly blushes, in my opinion. And then we have these three shades which are perfect for medium toned skin tones, like POMPOM, which I love, and we also have Willa and TERRA. And then this shade in particular, which is my favorite, beautiful pinky peachy shade, which is Shellie. And we have Butterfly, which is a perfect summer shade, so different, so unique, orangey, perfect sunny kind of blush. Then we have CRYSTAH, which is also a beautiful summer shade. Now in this video, I am going to be trying on some of the blushes without makeup, as you can see here, and with makeup, which you'll see in the future. But we're going to start off with Shellie. I'm going to use that multitasking cheek brush. It is so beautiful, and I'm using this on top of no makeup, just skin, and that is amazing. It's so beautiful. This is definitely a perfect shade in my opinion. It is going to be my go-to, and I'm going to always use Shellie. Next, I'm going to pair it with Butterfly, which I feel like is a great summer shade. It's a perfect sunny kind of warmth, bronzy look. I'm going to place it on the forehead and the top of the cheekbones to make it more warm, and I think it's so beautiful. And then I'm going to use a different brush just so that I don't mix them all crazy and use POMPOM, which I feel like is almost a bronzy kind of warm shade, and it's perfect as a bronzer. So what do you guys think? I think this is amazing. This is on top of no makeup, which is so beautiful, so blendable, and so silky soft on the skin, comfortable, and I'm just so impressed. But let's go ahead and try it with makeup or on top of makeup. I also do want to mention that these full sizes retail for $29. You get 0.21 ounces of product, and they do come in mini sizes, which are 0.08 ounces of product in retail for $17. And those shades include Shellie, Moon, PEACHIN, and TERRA. But back to this tutorial on top of makeup this time. I'm using the same 3 shades that I chose and used without makeup, but on top of makeup this time in the same places, a little bit on the nose as well, just because I love blush and I feel like on the nose it's definitely gives you a warmth, a natural kind of warmth to your skin, especially during summer, and I just love it so much. On top of makeup, it is super blendable still. It almost looks better on top of makeup in my opinion, but I'm going to use Cookie to finish off the look with this highlight, and I'm also going to use the Benefit Cosmetics Professional Super Setter Spray, which I absolutely love, to complete everything. And you will see that it will just look all put together and it just makes sense, and I'm super happy for Benefit for coming out with such beautiful shades. I will try out some of the other shades in the future, but these are my 3 go-tos. I also do have a video that is on my other social medias if you want to see what the smells are like, because they actually all have different kind of smells to them, and I think that's very important as well. And also, I did want to mention that you can purchase this at Sephora, at Ulta, and on their website as well. But these are my 3 favorite go-to shades, and that was my video, guys, and hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys!